Hi students, in cubes and cube roots, look at this problem. Find the least number by which 1323 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. Actually, this 1323 is not a perfect cube, right? So by what number you must multiply to make it a perfect cube? That is my question. What is given number here? Given number is 1323, right? Now split this 1323. 3 table, let us see. 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3. Again 3 1s are 3 4s are 3 7s are 3 4s are 3 9s are 7 7s. Now 1323 is equal to, how can we write this? 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So clearly it is understood here. This is a triplet 1 2 3 perfect cube. But here you observe it, 7 into 7 is not a triplet. So to make it a triplet, what should you do? We need to have one more 7, right? Hope it is clear. To make it a triplet, one more 7 should be there. So therefore the required multiplied number the required multiplied number is 7. That's all. Because one more 7 should be there to make it a triplet. Otherwise, it cannot be a perfect cube. So, the given number should be multiplied by 7 to make it a perfect cube. Look at once. 1 3 2 3 into 7. Let us see. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. 1 6 2 9. 9 2 6 1 is a perfect cube. Clear? This is the way we do this. One more problem is, find the least number by which 8788 must be divided, not multiplied here. Next one is divided so that the product, quotient. When we multiply, we get product. When we divide, we get a quotient. Is a perfect cube. Okay? Look at this. What is given number? What is given number? 8788. Okay? Now 8788 I am splitting here. 8788. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s, 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 9s, 2 7s. Okay? Now which table we will see again? 2 4s, 2 3s, 8768. 8768. 8768, not 88. 8768. Now you split this. Eight seven 6 8. 8 7 6 8. 2 4s, 2 3s, 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 9s, 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 8s, 2 8s are 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are. Okay. Next 2 5s, 2 4s, 2 8s are. Next 2 2s, 2 7s, 2 4s, 2 1s, 2 3s, 2 7s, right? Here 137 is a prime number, right? Here you have see 1 2 3, 1 2 3 triplet. Two triplets are there. Now 8 7 6 8 equal to 2 into 2 into 2. It is triplet, okay, no doubt. Now 2 into 2 into 2. This is also a triplet. 137 is alone, right? It is a prime number. So here 137 is a prime number, okay. So by what number you should divide to make it a perfect cube? This is perfect cube, triplet, triplet. So extra you have 137. So by 137 if you divide, automatically that will be cancelled. So if this number is not there, automatically this will be a perfect cube. So by what number you have to divide? Thus by dividing 8768 by 137, the quotient is a perfect cube. What is that quotient, by the way? 137, if you divide 137, 64 you will get. Quotient 64 is a perfect cube. That is, perfect cube means 4 cube we can write. So therefore the required number is, the required divided number is 137. Okay. Look at once again. So what is the least number by which 8768 must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube? We are given one 8768 here. So I divided into factors here, 1 2 3 triplet, 1 2 3 triplet. So what is extra number we have here? What is the extra number we have? 137, right? Extra 137 is there. So it is already prime number. If I divide 8768 by 137, I will get 64s exactly. So 8768 will be remainder 0. So this 64 is already a perfect cube. We know that already. 4 into 4 into 4. So by what number you should divide the 8768 to make it a perfect cube? 137. So if 8768 is divided by 137, we will get quotient as 64. That is a perfect cube. Okay? Look at one more. Which is the smallest number that must be multiplied to double 7175. to make it a perfect cube. Okay, we will see the solution. Okay, what is given number? Double 7,175. Now split this 7,7,175. 7,7,175. 3 table let us see. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 3 2s are 3 5s are 3 8s are 24. 1 will remain. 3 5s are 3 7s are 3 5s are 3 2s are 6. 3 8s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 25, 3 8s are 24, 17, 3 5s are 15, 25 will not go, I think so. So here 3 table will not go, 5 you will see, 5 1s are 5, 3 will remain, 5 7s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 5 3s are 15, 5 4s 20, 5 3s 7 7 4s are 28, 7 9s are so 7. Okay, now by what number you should multiply? Now 7,7,175 is equal to, it is triplet, right? 7 7 7, 7 into 7 into 7, it is triplet. 3 into 3 into 5 into 5, these two are not triplets, right? To make it a triplet, here I want 3, one more 3, here I want one more 5. So to make it a perfect cube, by what number you must multiply? So least number by which? Therefore least number by which 77175 is to be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. To make it a perfect cube equal to, here to make it a triplet one more 3 I want, here to make it a triplet one more 5 I want, so 3 5s are 15. So suppose if I multiply this given number with 15, then automatically it will be a perfect cube. So this is the end of solution. We shall see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.